Good morning, students. In our previous class, we have started chapter 3 determiners and its 6 kinds. Article we have completed. We will begin with demonstratives. So, what are demonstrative? Demonstrative are words like this, that, these, and those which point out to person or objects close by or a distance. Point number 1, this refers to singular nouns that are close by. These is used before plural nouns that are close by. Example, this glass has to be washed. These glasses have to be washed. Point number 2, that is used before singular nouns that are farther away at a, this means at a distance. Those is used to point at particular nouns that are at distance. Those is used to point at plural nouns that are at distance. Example, that painting is very colorful. Second example, those paintings are very colorful. Point number 3, this and that may be used before uncountable nouns also. Example, this water is clean. Water is uncountable noun. Example number 2, that cloud is floating away. Here cloud again is uncountable noun, so we have used that. Now possessive. What are possessive? Possessive are possessive adjectives that show someone's possession, such as my, her, his, its, their, and our. They are also used as determiners. Example, your books are not new. Second example, their school is closed now. We should increase, third example, we should increase our knowledge through reading. Point number 1, possessives can be used with both countable and uncountable nouns. Distributives. What are distributives? Distributives are those determiners that show distribution. They include words like either, neither, each, and every. Their uses are as follows. Point number 1, each. It is used with a singular verb with a limited numbers of persons or things are considered individually with emphasis on the individual. Example, each player of the Indian team played the best. Second example, every. It is used with a singular verb when a large number of persons or things are considered individually. Example, every student, it means every student in the class must bring him textbook tomorrow. Each and every student will bring their books. Second point, no, it's third point. Either. It is used with a singular verb meaning any one of the two or each of the two. Example, you can use either pencil. Any, it means any of the two pencils. Point number 2, there are, second example, there are tall trees on either side of the street. It means on both the sides. Point number 4, neither. We use neither to mean just the opposite of either. It means not the one nor the other. It's example, look at the example. Example number 1, neither team was well prepared for the match. It means they were both the two teams, none of the teams was prepared for the match. Second example, neither book explains the topic in detail. Now, quantifiers. What are quantifiers? Quantifiers are those determiners that tell us something about number or quantity. Such words are such words such as much, many, a few, most, any, cardinal numbers a, 1, 2, 3, and none are examples of quantifiers. Uses of quantifiers are as follows. First example, first point, many and several suggest number and are used with countable nouns. Example, many pen, several trees. Second point, much and little suggest quantity and these are used with uncountable nouns. Example, much happiness, a little tired. Third point, some and any suggest both quantity and number. These are used with both countable and uncountable nouns. Example, some advice, some books, any shirt, any idea. Interrogative. Interrogative. What are interrogatives? Determiners which are used to ask question are called interrogative. They can be used before any kind of noun and are words like what, which, whose, how many, and how much. Example: which basket will you carry? Second example: whose bags are lying outside? Third example: what books have been distributed? See, for every three of the example, there are question marks at the end. So, students, but I will tell you to use them correctly. You have to learn them through practice and experience. A good advice for you is to memorize as many of these as possible. That's all.